What's up, UHS hardware fans? It's me, Louie. Here I am in front of the UHS headquarters with this 2014 Nissan Versa. I'm going to be adding into it some smart functionality with the SmartKey box from Xhorse. I'm going to give it the ability to do keyless entry as well as keyless go so that the car unlocks and locks as soon as I walk away with it using just a signal from my phone. Since there's no proximity in this vehicle standard or stock, this is going to give me all that functionality. I'm going to show you how to install it as well as how to get it set up, running for your vehicle. It should be very easy to do. Let's check it out together. Come on. First, program our new working remote for your car using the VVDI Key Tool Max and Mini OBD from Xhorse, and a simple Nissan remote head key. Select IMMO Programming, Vehicle Make, and then select from System, Remote Key Adaptation Type 1. Once you have a successfully generated remote, go ahead and test all functions to make sure the key is properly working. And then we can move on to setting up the SmartKey box. While unboxing, you'll find inside the instructions a 10-wire connector, the radio frequency antenna, a low frequency antenna, one long and one short, and the SmartKey box. After removing the screws and opening up the SmartKey box, go ahead and place it to the side and let's disassemble your key. Remove the PCB board and place it down. Take note of the locations of each of the buttons and then find the 10-wire rainbow connector and take note of which wires should relate to which button. The red wire is for the 3-volt positive battery connector on the PCB board. The black is for the negative, while orange is for the lock button, yellow for the unlock button, green for the trunk, and blue for panic. Solder your connections diagonally for 4-pin buttons, or on opposing sides for 2-pin buttons. Solder your red wire directly to the positive connection on your board, and the black wire directly to the negative connection. After you're done soldering, go ahead and insert the connector directly into the SmartKey box board. Be careful at this point not to drop or shake, because it's easy to mess up all connections that you've just soldered. If your remote receives constant power, go ahead and switch dip switch 1 to on. Next, we install into the vehicle. First step, locate the OBD power cable and plug it into the OBD port. Locate the radio frequency antenna and plan your install for the driver's side dash of your vehicle, either underneath the dash or on top. Run the wire now if desired. Connect the RF antenna and OBD power to the rear of the SmartKey box. Press and hold the learning button until the 3-second beep occurs to let you know the learning process has begun. Once the learning process has begun, open up the downloaded and installed SmartKey app. Press the Connect to Car button to begin. Turn on Bluetooth, then select your SmartKey box from the list below. The name should start with KE0. After you receive the program successfully signal, you can either close out of learning, or the SmartKey box can save and connect 6 remotes or phones at a time, in addition to the original car remote count. End learning mode by holding down the button again until the 3-second beep and the LED turns off. Okay, so now that it's fully installed, I'm going to walk away from the car, give it a quick test. Let's see how far I get before it has the lock. Hold the screen where you guys can see it. And the car has locked. Okay, we're going to walk up now and see when the keyless entry kicks in. Okay, car is unlocked. As soon as I got here, I'd say that everything works just great. So all of these settings can be adjusted as you go, and nothing is technically set in place. You can always mess with it and see which works out best for you, and that's kind of cool. Within the app, select the menu hamburger and then automatically set. Within the menu, set Bluetooth to automatically set. Adjust the settings until the signal matches the sensitivity you desire. Go back into the menu and select Change Style to pick a new look, add and remove buttons, or change icons to match other possible functions you have connected. right, so all in all, this is an incredibly simple and easy install. It was non-invasive, not much to it, no big headaches here. The function works great. It's easy to walk up to the car and have it unlock, walk away and have it lock. I'm very much a fan of that. I'm gonna go ahead and say that you should check this out as well as any other Xhorse tools at uhs-hardware.com. We've got it in stock and ready to go right now. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots of content coming out, new things coming out all the time. I've actually got another video about this coming out in about a week or so. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for checking out this video. We really appreciate you guys. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.